Okay, hello everybody. This is Lisa from Joyfully Art. I'm back. How was everybody's week? It's the weekend, just hanging out at home. Today I saw another video, one video with a ring pour. I think it was Gina DeLuca, and it was just beautiful. And I wanted to try and do one. She just used black and white and a little bit of blue. So here's my white, and it's just mixed with Floetrol and water for consistency. I have my black. There's no silicone in these. Some more white. Hope everything goes good with this. Hers was so pretty. And she had just a little bit of blue in it. Usually have my colors all prepared and everything, but it's the weekend and a little slower today. I'll make sure I have enough paint to cover the canvas. It's a 16 by 20, I think. I believe that's what it is. I'm going to add just a touch more blue. And let's see, we'll end up with a little bit of white. And I'm not sure. I hope it comes out in black. Okay, this is my cup. It's all ready to go. And she did put a puddle of blue in the middle for the canvas for it to kind of slide around on. And there we go. All right. And then this plastic cup a little bit doesn't work very well. All right, here we go. I'm not going to circle it. I'm just going to let it pour out slowly. Looking good so far, I think. Comes some white. That looks okay. Let me get my torch real quick. Make sure we don't have any air bubbles going on. All right, now I'm going to tilt it, but I'm going to go very slowly because I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose anything here. If my canvas is too big, put an awful lot of white in the middle. Go this way. I'm going to have to get some of the white off so I can get some other color in there. Get it to go back in the center a little bit. Go down this way. some pretty good cells and some lacing that looks really good. Let's try this way now. I don't know if I'm in frame or not. I'm not real good at this yet. I just have to get this other corner up here, and I don't want to lose that blue. I'm going to try and keep it on there the best that I can. Come on. I don't know if I have enough paint. Thought maybe I had too much, but now I'm wondering if I have enough. See. I have any more in here I can use. Except just a little bit more. Put over that corner. Let's try this. There we go. I kind of like that. Make sure that all my sides are covered. Go around this side and look at the back. I want to get a turntable, some kind of spin so I can turn my canvas and not have to move myself, just be able to spin the canvas around. All right, I like that. It didn't turn out quite like hers, but no two pieces are ever the same. I could do the exact same thing again and it'd turn out totally different. That's what is nice about this kind of painting. You never know what you're gonna get. Okay, I hope everybody likes that. My colors will be down in the description, and how I mix my paints. And I appreciate you all watching, and please share with all your friends. I need to get some more followers and some more subscribers, so I'd appreciate if you'd share it all with your friends. Hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up and that little bell, and it'll tell you when I have a new video coming up. So thank you all for watching, and have a great weekend. Bye.